I'm Mike McConville from Horizon Hobby. I'm the Director of New Category Development in our Product Development Group, and I'm the designer and product developer for the new ParkZone Sukhoi SU-29MM. Came to Eli today to let my buddy Matt try out the new Sukhoi. He's kind of the perfect target customer, and we have safe technology in this airplane tailored to the modeler who can already fly a 4-channel airplane and would love to learn some aerobatics and some 3D aerobatics.
I got started in RC about 5 years ago. I picked up a kit and just threw it in the air and crashed it immediately, and that was great, so I kept going.
Hey Matt, how you doing?
Hey Mike.
Good to see you.
Glad to be here.
Can't wait to show you the new Sukhoi. I'm really proud of this one. This is our first, not just ours, but the first airplane on the market with safe technology that's not a beginner airplane. This is an advanced aerobatic airplane, and by putting safe in it, we can make it so it's great for somebody, all the way from somebody who can fly a 4-channel airplane and is wanting to learn some 3D aerobatics, all the way to a really proficient 3D pilot that just wants to have a ball with a very capable 3D airplane.
Ah, sounds cool.
So the way we've done this is we have four flight modes essentially. In all the modes there's AS3X, so AS3X is always there fighting wind and making the airplane more stable. One is a precision flight mode, and that's for flying around. You can fly fast, you can fly all kinds of precision stuff, but in the precision mode the gains are lower and the throws are lower, so it's a very comfortable airplane to fly precisely, easy to fly precisely. Rudder we keep full throw.
Okay.
Then we have a 3D mode. In 3D mode we have big throws.
That's
so
a lot of
big
throw.
aileron.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, and then you need that for 3D. We also have high gains, so the gyro gains are higher, so you have maximum hold and for doing torque rolls and Harriers and all kinds of 3D stuff. You want the gyros working for you as hard as they can, and so the gains are high. The one thing to keep in mind because of that is you don't want to fly around in 3D mode, because with high gains it will start to oscillate as the airplane builds speed.
A little bit.
So as you go out of 3D flying, flip back to
Put it down
precision
to
mode.
precision?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. The new really exciting modes, and this is where safe really comes into play, is the first one we call stagility mode. This is really cool. Stagility mode, the throws are just like 3D.
Yeah.
Gains are a little bit lower, so you can fly around a little bit. But you do have big throws, and what stagility is for is learning 3D. Well, with stagility, all you do is let go of both sticks. And as soon as both sticks hit neutral and nothing is moving, then it goes into, essentially activates panic mode, and the airplane will flip over to upright flight.
So all you have to do is let go of the sticks.
Yep, just let go when you get disoriented, and you know, in the past where the next step would have been crashing.
Yeah.
Well, now you let go and it flips back to upright flight. That's a familiar attitude, and as soon as you move the sticks again, you've got full control again.
Okay.
Yeah. So and then the last one, of course, is panic mode, which we program to a button. And that is much like in our training system. It doesn't matter what mode you're in, precision mode, 3D mode, you can be flying around, you get disoriented, or you get something in your eye and you can't see.
Yeah.
Just hit the panic button and hold it until the airplane's upright again, and then let go, and then you've got full control again.
So you keep it held.
Yep, you keep it held until the airplane is upright.
Okay.
Yeah, if you let go, it'll stop correcting. So I think enough talking. Let's fly it and see what it does. And you know what? It's all yours.
All right. So we're starting out in precision?
Yep, we're in precision mode.
All right. Taxi out here. Oh, wow.
So fly it around, feel it out in precision mode,
That
see what you think.
Nice and stable. It's got some nice speed to it. You can't even feel that wind.
Yeah, that's the beauty of AS3X.
Right.
And like all the other AS3X systems that we've done, it's tuned so that you really don't feel it. You never feel it fighting you. It doesn't feel like there's anything happening there. The airplane just magically feels bigger, more solid.
Yeah.
Well, once you feel ready to try some 3D stuff and start learning, go ahead and flip into stagility mode. One thing you have to keep in mind is with stagility, when the sticks hit, when they all hit neutral and stay there for half a second, it snaps back to upright flight.
Right.
The thinking there is because 3D flying is a type of flying where sticks are always moving, so you really don't feel it until you want to.
Right.
But
they're just corrected for me.
Yep. But if you try flying around in level flight and you're trying to fly long lines of the type of thing where maybe you're not giving any input, you got to remember stagility will bring it back to upright flight. So it might feel like it's interfering with you there. It's because it's not intended for that kind of flying.
Can I try a Harrier roll?
Absolutely. So if you get confused, and I'm sure you will, everyone does when they learn, just let go of the sticks.
All right.
So go ahead and try and keep going until you're really confused. And then just let go. Doesn't matter where the airplane is when you let go. There you go, just let go there.
There, oh,
yep.
Fixed me.
Yep.
That was great. Certainly gives you confidence to try something. There we go.
There you go. And it's aggressive.
It is.
By design, it aggressively gets it to level flight.
Wow.
Because the quicker it gets there, the safer you are, the lower you can be, and it'll get you out of trouble. With the design of the Sukhoi, I've done a lot with this airplane to make it a very good flying 3D airplane.
Mm-hmm.
So by doing that, it has a really gentle stall. It doesn't want to stall, so even with real aggressive elevator throw, it won't tip stall. So that lets us really turn up the effectiveness of stagility. It'll use a lot of elevator to get you out of a situation quickly, and it won't pull the airplane into a secondary stall. And remember, you can go to precision mode or 3D mode, and you've always got the panic button. As long as you hold that down, it will flip you over to upright flight again.
It will save me.
It will save you, which is really great for guys. You know, I know some pilots that when they were just starting aerobatics, just flying upside down was kind of disorienting.
Yeah, it is.
And so you get upside down and your brain freezes and you're not sure what to do, just hit the panic button.
Right.
To me, it's still kind of fascinating. It just seems magical, you know?
Amazing how it does that. Well, we haven't tried 3D mode.
No, go ahead and try it. Remember, you can't fly very fast because it'll start to oscillate.
Right.
You've got really aggressive AS3X working for you, but it's even more solid in 3D than it is in stagility mode. It's going to be the easiest to hover in 3D mode.
Wow.
You just don't have stagility there for you, so if you get messed up, reach for that panic button.
Reach for the panic button.
Yep.
Time remaining 1 minute.
You want to go to precision mode to land.
All the way down.
Yep. Good job.
All right. Well, that was awesome.
Well, let's swap batteries and do it again.
Let's do it.
I hope that when pilots pick this airplane up, no matter what level they are, their first impression is, wow, this flies really good. That's what I want, no matter who it is.